Biba is today at 202 stores, and we should be at approximately 208 to 10 stores by the end of March 2016. Biba is the single largest women's ethnic wear brand in the country. Biba was a well-known brand. It didn't really require so much introduction. But was it the first brand that came to a customer's mind when she thought of buying a kurta? In Future Brands, we found a very good partner that really helped us understand the journey. There were some key points that we actually wanted to discover. I think one was, how does the consumer think? How is the consumer reacting to brands? How is Biba perceived in the consumer's mind? Biba's where do we want Biba 3 years from today? And I think a concrete roadmap to take the brand from where it is today to where we want it to be 3 years from today. And I think we went to Future Brands with all these questions. The wardrobe study in itself was a very detailed study. Brought in a lot of insights onto a woman's wardrobe across many incomes, cities, etc. And I think that helped us really understand the consumer better. We also realized that there was a clear gap in our formal wear portfolio, and that was a gap that was missing. People were consuming a lot of Biba, but a large part of the wallet size was actually going into formal wear, where our presence was less. And that's one of the key takeaways that we actually worked on. We came back with a Biba by Rohit Bahal formal wear line, and that helped us plug our offering. We started looking at the Salwar Kameez as the large, big silver screen and a very large canvas where women experienced it in different prints, embroideries, fabrics. It was just a large silver screen on which fashion played. And I think that gave us a completely new take on fashion and how to create ranges and how women were actually consuming our ranges. We did our first above the line campaign with Future Brands. That was a campaign which involved outdoor and the print media. And we were pleasantly surprised. We experienced an immediate 20% uptake in the business over the next 6 to 8 months. And the impact was immediately visible. 5 years back when we started the Facebook page for Biba, I remember the first 3 months, most of our discussions was, how does one measure this? And it was quite engaging, and I think we were the first fashion brand, one of the first fashion brands in India on Facebook. What was really amazing was 7 months after our start, we were given an award which told us we were the most engaged Facebook page for that month all across. And that just showed the quality of fans that we had attracted on Facebook. The strategic roadmap eventually for us concluded in a 3-year strategy. The strategy was, I think, a very, very clear strategy of how to take Biba there. Marketing and strategy is a very, very people-oriented role. We went to Future Brands because of the talent there. I was pleasantly surprised with the passion at which the work was delivered, and I think that's what led to our engagement becoming a longer-term engagement. As an entrepreneur, looking to build the brand to the next level, Future Brands is a good partner to engage with on that thought.